again, we have our 10.5 by 10.5 piece. Curl up, factory edge, top left, bottom right. We're going to take that top corner. We're bringing it to the bottom corner. Again, we are only concerned about the edges or the corners here. All right, so whatever you have, even a paper clip will work to help hold your corners together. Okay, so a Rita petal. This is kind of like the bubble petal, right? We flipped it over. A Rita petal is where you're going to go from the bottom and straight up the middle. Okay, I'm going to use little rubber bands to help me here. You're going to pinch, pinch, and drag, and pinch, and pleat, or whatever you want to call it, right up to the center. Okay, and you're just going to flip it up. All right, so when you look, this is one's going one way, the other's going the other way. Okay, I'm going to put a little rubber band on it just to help me explain how I'm going to do this petal. Okay, so that is your typical Rita petal like that. So they kind of they already look like kind of butterfly wings or angel wings or whatever, right? Now I'm using the small board, and when I was doing the petals, I'm like, the Rita petal is a little wide. I don't want my petals so wide using the small board. So I was playing around with the mesh, and I came up with that if you take, it doesn't matter actually what side you do. So if you take the left side, bring it over. Okay, so there's my right hand has the tattoo, right? Take the left petal, bring it over the right petal, and make it all one piece. We have like a lobster claw. Like, how did nobody do that? Right? Okay, so it's all one piece. It's like one petal, except it has a V in the center. And then you take and you put that right in to the zip tie and do it up. And there we have like a lobster claw, right? Like, what the heck? All right, we're gonna do, again, the Rita thing. Now, if you're not OCD, you can match up your corners without having clips. It's not like a big, huge deal. Like, there we go. It's all matched up. Okay, we're gonna scrunch right up the center, and you're not scrunching, you're more pleating and dragging with your finger and your thumb. Right, so there's our Rita petal, right? But I'm gonna take it even further, and I'm gonna bring my left petal right over top of the right petal. And you're taking the base of the petal and making it one, but the top spreads apart like a lobster claw. And then you're going to put this whole thing, put your nub right into the zip tie, about 1/2 inch or a fingertip, and there you go. How cool is that?